Before the video starts, don't forget to click subscribe.
How to put on makeup under a mask and won't smudge. What's up, TV fam? Welcome to Living With Me. Yes, this is a makeup tutorial I've been wanting to do. Hope it's not too late. It has become my daily makeup routine, as in Singapore we need to put on a mask everywhere we go. But disclaimer, I'm not a professional makeup artist and it is all from my own experience. I will also show you how to enhance your look even while wearing a mask. Let's start.
The night before, put on your full skincare before sleep. For me will be my toner, essence, eye cream and serum. Watch the video on Secret Alternative Skincare routine for my full skincare routine. Let's start with the makeup. Firstly, I will put on my contact lenses to give my eyes an enhanced effect. Today, I will use AccuView Radiant Charm. Next, prep the face. To avoid smudge, the base have to be fully matte, so my way is to dust a layer of loose powder before the foundation. The foundation have to be a matte type as well, so I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Contouring with powder is not advisable, so if really want to contour, I will use eyebrow pencil. I will then draw my brows as usual, trying my new Innisfree eyebrow pencil. For eyes, I had done eyelash extension, so it is half done. I will then apply my eyeshadow from Tarte. After which, my Lily brought eyeliner from Kiss Me. will also apply white eyeliner for bigger eyes look. Brush, apply at the upper area as the middle area is the part with the mask on. Lastly will be a thin lipstick. I'm using Mimi in cashmere color. This is how I do it to prevent lipstick staining the mask. Thin it with 2 layers and wait for it to dry. And keep wet it until there is no lipstick on the tissue. Wearing suzybae, blouse and earring, you can PM me for the link to the store. This video is supposed to be after my unboxing video, but I decided to release it first.
Finish look. This look focus more on the eyes. But wait, let's test whether it's smudge proof. Okay, there you have it, and that's the end of the tutorial. So remember to click like, subscribe, and turn notification bell so you'll be when I post a new video. New video released every Friday after the day. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.